As you can see, it's a blizzard time. I'm about to go out here and see what it's looking like outside. It's crazy. This is gonna be crazy. All right, so it's snowing like crazy. I'm about to go out here and check it out. I want to see what the street look like, see what's going on. This is gonna be fun. I'm bundled up. Gotta put my jacket on, a scarf on, and I'm out of here. Shoes going on. Ooh, it's a lot of snow. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Snow up to my knees. Look at this. This is crazy. Oh, man. Oh, this is madness. Look at this. Look at that. It's crazy. Let's see what's going on out here. Man, people crazy for driving. You ain't gotta drive in this mess, I wouldn't. This is crazy. Another blizzard in Philly. Man, this is crazy out here. We're still supposed to get like another 6 to 8 inches. Oh, look at this. This is crazy. I'm all bundled up, all warm. Blizzard of 2016. Here in Philly. This is crazy. It's hard to walk. Wonder what the cars look like. I'm gonna go down here. Hell man, it's too much snow. I'm turning around. It's a wrap. This is crazy.